Dr. Deuk here at the Deuk Spine Institute with a patient who traveled here from Colorado with her husband, and she underwent the cervical Deuk laser disc repair for 2 herniated discs in her neck. And how are you feeling today?
Great. Even on the way home, I felt all the pain released from my arms and my shoulders. I didn't realize how much pain I was actually in. So my arms just feel light. And sitting in the waiting room here earlier, I realized my neck is not hurting at all and my headache is gone.
So your headaches are gone, your neck pain's gone, and your arms are starting to feel normal again.
Yep. Yes.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yes. So amazing. I'm so grateful.
Yeah. Tell me what life was like for you before you came to Deuk Spine Institute.
We have 4 small children, and it was very hard because we homeschool. My oldest started taking over laundry. I couldn't get in to the washer to get the clothes out. He has to help a lot with the little ones with school. I was in bed a lot with pain, and laying down hurt. So then I would sit up in the recliner, and I wasn't sleeping at all. Last night I slept.
Congratulations. Now, are you feeling good here today because we gave you lots of pain medicines, or are you on any pain med at all?
No, I didn't even take ibuprofen. I think in the IV there was Tylenol. I didn't even take the muscle relaxer, no pain meds.
Yeah, the pain meds from surgery wore off yesterday.
Yeah.
And today your body has no pain meds and you have no pain.
No pain.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now, it must be hard with such a severe, debilitating neck and pain and headaches when you have kids, because, you know, your whole life is all about having kids and bringing them up and engaging with them and being part of their life. And when you have pain like that, it takes your time away from your kids. It takes your quality of life away. So you had to do something about this.
Yeah.
And did you have any treatment in Colorado?
They wanted me to do an epidural in the neck because there was no room in the spinal cord. That made it worse because the fluid had nowhere to go. So I did that, and then the surgeon in Colorado wanted me to do a fusion and basically laughed when I asked if there was other options. So that's when it led us to do more research and watch all of his videos and know, I just knew in my gut this is where we had to come.
Yeah, you're right. I'm glad you did not choose the fusion, but why did you not choose the fusion? What were you worried about?
I was worried that I have 4 young children, and if I do a fusion, it would be worse, and then it would just keep continuing all the next discs. And I was really having like a claustrophobic feeling of I won't have any movement. I'll lose my mobility if I do a fusion.
And with the Deuk laser disc repair, you can see we went in with a 4mm incision. There was no bleeding. There was no hospitalization. She was asleep for an hour while we did her procedure, and you basically woke up pain-free.
Yes, I was actually very emotional when I woke up because I was like, our whole family needs to come here. All of our parents are in pain, so this is where you need to come.
We'll take good care of them here. Well, share with the audience watching what life is going to be like for you now and anything you want to tell the audience.
I feel like when you're in chronic pain for so long, you start to have anxiety, have maybe a little bit of depression, and all of that has completely lifted. And I think doctors will be like, oh, you're just depressed, take this medicine. But that's not what it is. It's the pain, the chronic pain. So I know that my quality of life will be much better now. My 2 boys play hockey, and there were so many times I couldn't sit in the stands. So it's really exciting.
Congratulations.
So, yeah.
All right. Well, enjoy your life with your family.
Yes. Thank
All right.
you.
Let's get